Hi there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a safe boot in Windows 10. Hope you find this guide useful. If you do, please help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay, you might want to perform a safe boot if you're having some sort of issue with your Windows 10 machine. So to do that, what we need to do is if you left click on the start menu, type in msconfig, and this application will show here system configuration. So just left click on there. Okay, in the next screen, if you click on the Boot tab, then down the bottom here, if you just select Safe Boot, make sure Minimal is selected, press OK, and then if you click on Restart, it will restart your machine with the Safe Boot setting. Okay, if you've got any questions on this, please post it in a comment below. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.